Welcome to Cloud Code Tips and Tricks, the series that will take our Cloud Code to the next level. Today's tip is always have a development app and a production app in back for app, where you can write your Cloud Code and tests into development environment, and only when approved you move it to production. Many times I see people doing their Cloud Code in the production environment directly, and this is a very bad practice because if something goes wrong, it will affect all the production users. When you clone your production app to a staging or development app and do all your Cloud Code in there, all the keys will be different, no users will be affected, and then you can only move to production once tested and approved. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you already subscribed, thank you for that, and if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.